Hey everyone, this is Tom Karadza with Rockstar Real Estate, and this is another Rockstar Real Estate Minute. And the goal with this is to give you some insider information that is not obvious to everybody in the real estate market. So here's what I want to share with you, is that if you're looking to buy a property or even sell your property, you should understand that there's multiple real estate boards. And I have an example here for you. So in this example, every city has a different real estate board, and this is the way it really works in the real world today here in Ontario. So in this example, I have the Barrie Real Estate Board, the Toronto Real Estate Board, and the Oakville Real Estate Board. And if you want to look for a house, because you're looking to buy a house, and you talk to a realtor to kind of get some information, and you're looking for a house, let's say, in the Toronto area, and this realtor kind of hooks you up and starts sending you information about properties in the Toronto area, what can happen is if some properties were listed in the Toronto area but by a real estate agent from Barrie, and this happens. It might sound like it doesn't happen, but it happens all the time. So if a Barrie real estate agent, I'm just going to draw a little picture over here, if a little real estate guy or girl from Barrie, with a happy face, if he or she lists a property in the Barrie Real Estate Board, but the address is in Toronto, you will never see it. You will never see that property, and it might be the perfect property for you. And the same thing applies to the Oakville Real Estate Board. All these boards are separate. So although online on realtor.ca or on some real estate websites like our own, you can find this information, you might not know that you're missing properties from other real estate boards. So the thing to keep in mind, because this can be a little bit confusing until you understand it, the thing to keep in mind is whenever you're working with a realtor, you want to ask them this question. How many real estate boards can you access? Are they just getting you properties listed on the Toronto Real Estate Board, or can they get you properties listed on any real estate board? Even though you might just be looking in Toronto, there might be some Toronto properties listed by an Oakville Real Estate board member, and it's not going to show up for you. But if your real estate agent has access to all these boards, you can then see the entire picture. So you really want to ask whoever you're working with, how many real estate boards can you access when you're looking to buy a property? And when you sell a property, you want to ask them, how many boards will my real estate, my home be listed on? Will it be listed on all these boards so that you're maximizing the exposure of your property? That's it. That's your Rockstar Real Estate Minute. Hope that helps.